We have, bar none, the best selection of four-wheel drives arriving daily, selling just as fast, and this one is a very, very special car. Absolutely love it. 2021 21 plate Audi RSQ3 Sportback, Sport Edition, with a comfort and sound pack. Now this car is a fast car. It's in the best colour. It's Nardo Grey, the colour you must have if you're buying, for me, an RS product, because it's synonymous with the RS. The car's covered 7,000 miles. It's had one owner from new. With that comfort and sound pack, it's got some lovely spec features like reversing camera, keyless access. It's also got a panoramic sunroof, and being a Sport Edition, it's got the lovely interior. Now, it's a great car. I've never driven one of these cars. We had one last week. I didn't get to drive it. This car drives incredibly well. It's 450 brake horsepower. It's 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. It's obviously Quattro, so it's four-wheel drive, but look at it. It's pure aggression. Absolutely superb. Now, it's one of the newest additions to the RS family, being the Q3 and being the Sportback. It's got the coupe styling, which Audi have just launched, and you can get it in a Q5 now, I do believe, as well. But look at the front end, the air breathers into the bonnet, the synonymous honeycomb effect grille to the front, all gloss black styling. So it has got a black styling package, this car is part of the Sport Edition. The more aggressive front bumpers, matrix lights, and if you'll notice, the matrix lights at the front also have the dynamic sweeping indicators to the front and the rear. The wheels, they're 21-inch wheels, gloss black, perforated brake discs, RS red braking calipers. Now this car is incredible condition, as you'd expect from a car like this. It's impeccable throughout. Note the sunroof, that's a big option on one of these cars, not a standard feature. It'll sell the car to the right person. The right person is out there looking for this car in this colour. The lights at the back, again, matrix lights to the rear. The LED tail light, gloss black styling package as the Sport Edition gives it the badges, front and rear all in gloss black. The massive, come round the back and look at this aggression. Love the styling, oval tailpipes, F1 diffuser, comfort and sound pack then, reversing camera. Being a Q3, it's a fast car, but this one's practical, big boot space, split folding seats, assisted tailgate. It's a great looking car, you know. The coupe styling looks even sport. You look at the sloping roof to the back, the little accents in the spoiler, all the black styling features, window surrounds, privacy glass. And then keyless access. It's got comfort access, sorry, so keyless start. Inside, super sport seats, ambient lighting package. The seats make this car for me. So it's got black leather with the red quilted stitching. Look at the front seats. So comfort and sound, you've got electric seats. We've got the Bang & Olufsen surround sound stereo system. Note the Audi Sport Entry kick light. Look at the seats. Full leather with the Alcantara red sections on there, the red stitching as part of the Sport Edition. The Sport Edition Quattro badging to the dash, full piano black, but look at the red Quattro badging and the ambient lighting. Little attention to detail on this car, which make it Alcantara into the doors, all the red stitching. You can switch this ambient lighting, but currently it's set to red. And I just love the colour contrast between the Nardo Grey and the black styling package. With 7,000 miles on, the car is superb. If you note, we've got sensors to the bottom. This is all part of the new safety features that the Audis come with pre-sense. So the safety features in the Audis, honestly, market-leading safety features, which to some people is very important. Again, attention to detail, RSQ3 light-up kick sills, electric seats for driver and passenger. The steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel, S-tronic gearbox, of course, in one of these. It sounds phenomenal. Attention to detail, again, if you can come in and have a look, all this Alcantara section straight across the dash. Just beautiful. Keyless entry, keyless start. We've got Tech Pack in this car, which I think is probably a standard feature, which means everything's digital, cockpit's all digital. You've got your power and torque meters here, your rev counter. Of course, in an Audi, you'll know it's all changeable. You can switch the way you view the dashboard. Very easy to do. Let's go back into the navigation and show you that. It has real-time navigation with the Google Map interface. It might not load up because we're inside. Haptic touchscreen infotainment system, so big screen in this. Again, the newest Audis now. iPad-like operation system, very, very easy. You've got a home screen now, you can put your favourites on there as well. I've already mentioned it, comfort and sound pack. We have reversing camera, 360 graphic. Again, another nice feature. Heated seats, Driving mode's important in a car like this. Efficiency to dynamic. I don't know if the car sounds awesome. But with the Q3, it gives you everything because you've got that Audi grunt, that aggression, but it is high up driving position. It is a four-wheel drive, and I don't think there's not many cars out there in the market like this car, which gives you the performance, the space, the practicality, the driving position, and the looks. Very, very modern inside and out. It is a really, 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 really nice car. Going live on the website, it's done 7,000 miles. It's going to be 59,990. And for a car like this, one that's a performance Audi, again, just take into context the fact that the RS products hold the money so well, so you can keep this car and enjoy it for a period of time and not stand to lose a lot of money. Just enjoy the car for what it is. But what a lovely example. RSQ3, Sportback, Sport Edition, going live now. Thanks for watching.